Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI or thinking about getting started, then you've probably heard the term prompt engineering. But what exactly is it, and why is it such a big deal in the world of artificial intelligence? Let's start with the basics. What is prompt engineering? Simply put, it's the art and science of crafting the right inputs, or prompts, to get the best possible output from AI models like GPT, Gemini. Think of it like asking a really smart assistant a question. If you ask a vague or unclear question, you might get a vague or inaccurate answer, but when you craft a clear, well-structured prompt, you get a more accurate, relevant response. So how does it work? When you input a prompt into an AI model like ChatGPT or DALL-E, the AI uses that information to generate an output. But the key is how you ask. For example, if you want an AI to generate a story instead of just typing, "Tell me a story," you could say, "Write a short story about a detective solving a mystery in a futuristic city." By giving more context, the AI can understand what you're asking for and deliver something more specific. AI models generate responses based on the patterns they've learned from vast data sets. A well-structured prompt helps them produce more precise and meaningful results. Instead of asking vague questions, a well-designed prompt provides clear instructions, context, and constraints. Like a basic prompt, "Tell me about space." An optimized prompt would be more like, "Explain the history of space exploration, highlighting key missions and discoveries." Without proper prompts, AI can give you generic or irrelevant results, which can lead to frustration and wasted time. So, prompt engineering isn't just a cool trick, it's a critical skill for anyone working with AI. Be specific. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. For example, asking, "Generate a poem about nature in the style of Shakespeare," will give you a much more targeted result than just write a poem about nature. Use context. Provide the context the AI needs to understand your request. For example, instead of saying "write a blog post," say "write a 500-word blog post on the impact of AI in healthcare for a tech-savvy audience." Test and tweak. Don't be afraid to test different variations of prompts. AI tools are powerful, but sometimes it takes a few attempts to get the perfect output. And that's okay. To get the best results from AI models, prompt engineering involves using specific techniques that improve the accuracy, relevance, and usefulness of responses. Here are some key prompt techniques to get this right: role-based prompting. Assign a role to the AI to guide its response in a specific style or expertise. Example: you are an experienced lawyer, explain contract law to a beginner. Few-shot prompting, provide examples within the prompt to guide the AI's response. Translate the following English sentences to French. "Hello, how are you?" "Bonjour, comment ça va?" "Where is the nearest train station?" The AI will continue in the expected format. Zero-shot prompting. Ask the AI to complete a task without providing examples. This works best for general knowledge questions. What are the main causes of climate change? Chain of thought prompting, COT. Encourage the AI to think step by step for complex reasoning tasks. Explain step by step how to solve this math problem. 357 multiplied by 23. Constraint-based prompting. Set specific conditions such as word count, format, or style. Summarize the history of AI in 50 words. Now we have seen the techniques. Now let's see how we can refine a prompt. Let's first define the specific objective you want the AI to achieve. In our example, generate a professional email responding to a customer complaint. Now we will give some context. Provide relevant details to improve accuracy and specificity. A customer complained about late delivery. Apologize professionally and offer a 10% discount for future purchases. Provide a reference. What should the response be based on? Like, specify a format, structure, or examples to guide the AI's response. Use a polite and empathetic tone. Keep the email under 150 words. Then we will evaluate and iterate, meaning we'll continue to refine the prompt based on the first response to our prompt. Does the AI response meet expectations? Then we refine the prompt, adjust details to improve results. Then we iterate and test, run multiple variations for the best output. Alright, so now let's take a look at how prompt engineering is actually used in the real world. Writers and marketers, for instance, use prompt engineering to generate blog posts, social media content, and even advertisements that perfectly align with their brand voice and style. Pretty cool, right? Coders, on the other hand, can use prompts to generate specific code snippets or even solutions to tricky problems. For example, they might ask an AI to write a Python function to scrape data from a website. And in graphic design, prompt engineering plays a big role too. It helps tools like Midjourney or Sora create stunning images or unique design ideas, all based on detailed prompts. Amazing, isn't it? Hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.